Hello, hello. Here in the US, Election Day is when? November 3rd. That day is approaching, right? Many of you have requested signs related to that election, government, president, vice president, that. Today, I'll show you signs related to election and government. Election, election, election. This year, 2020 election is important. Election Day. Election Day. This year, Election Day when? November 3rd. Voting, same sign. Voting or vote. If you're directly telling someone to do it, vote. Don't forget to vote. Vote, send. So you send your vote. You can vote and send it, like vote by mail, or you can fingerspell by mail or mail-in voting. Mail-in voting. You can say voting, and then you send it in the mail. Vote, send. Debate, debate. Debate. It's same sign as discuss, but context, you'll know the difference. Discuss, debate. Issues. Issues. Government. Government. Political. 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 Federal. Federal. Federal government. Federal. Local. Local. Or regional. Region. Local. Local government. Or maybe a town or a city government. Local government. Local elections. Your local election is important too. White House. White House. White. White. The color. White House. President. Start at the temple and move outward. President. President. Sometimes the hands will start crossed, and sometimes from here. I've seen both. President. President. Vice President. VP. VP starting at the temple. Vice President. Vice President. Vice President. Congress. Congress. The thumb taps each side once. Congress. Congress. Congressperson. Congressperson. Or congressman, congressman, or congresswoman, congresswoman, congressman, congresswoman, congressperson, congressperson, Senate. The S hand shape now taps each side of the torso. Senate. Senate. Senator. 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 House of Representatives tend to just sign House and use context to know if you're discussing government and law. Probably House is clear. House. 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 The thumb can be in or out. House. House of Representatives. And who works there? Congressperson. Congressman, congresswoman. Court. 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 Supreme Court. Supreme. Supreme Court. Supreme Court. Also, you can have federal courts. Federal court. Judge. A judge or a justice. Judge. 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 For the action, judge, to judge, or judging. That's about deciding, right? Decide, judge. But if you're describing the job, a person, judge. Law. 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 Democrat or Democrats. The D hand shape here. Democrats. Democrat, Republican, Republican. Now in R, hand shape, Republican. Republican. Independent. 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 Okay, let's review. Let's recap your new signs. I hope that you enjoyed learning these signs for government and elections. If you have other requests, don't forget to comment or go to aslmeredith.com/request. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye! If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell.